All right. Hopefully there's people in here. No, I'm not Zach. We're doing it for him today. If there are people in here, there should be. Let me know if you guys can hear me. And then I will be all set. I want to make sure you guys can hear me. All right. I will share this. Perfect. Let me get this over here. Let me do... All right. I think that should be good. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully. Okay, you can't hear me. Perfect. Macaroni 1111. Good morning. Philip, good morning. Good to see you in here. Yeah, my sound settings were not correct, so I had to mess with them. But glad I put on the right stuff. Perfect. Thank you, man. Thank you for letting me know. All right. Let's see. Spy not too interested. Yeah, slice. Yeah, I know. I feel like I've been up for like an hour, but I feel like I just woke up. I don't know why. I've actually been awake longer than an hour. I don't know why. I still feel like I just woke up. Rosie Robinson, good morning, man. Appreciate it. All right. God, look how beautiful Apple is, man. What a stock. What a freaking stock, man. I love it. All right. Let's see. I don't really want to short Apple, but I'll watch it. Morning, Nazir. How you doing? Amazon kind of bounced off supply yesterday. No great opportunity to get into that, but we'll keep an eye on it. Not my favorite setup. Good morning, Zavaria. Good to see you in here. Goog looks pretty good. They gapped up because of that microchip thing, right? I think I saw it on Twitter. Microsoft. Doesn't look bad. The video will pass on. Meta. Meta could be good, but it's quite a move. Quite a move. Watch it. Tesla. Like Morning Jammer. Good morning, World Changers. That's funny. All right. Yeah, Tesla will keep an eye on. I'm going to throw everything up here, actually, and then we'll sort through it after. TSM was all trend yesterday. Does anyone know what happened at Oracle? I don't really keep up with news on Oracle. Does anyone know why it dropped so much? The gap down like, what, $13 yesterday? I could probably look it up, but earnings disappointed. That bad? I mean, disappointing earnings usually drops it, but dude, $13 on not a really expensive stock either. Yo, Gary here. What up, Gary? What is up? Do we want to watch Oracle? We can. I guess we'll watch it. MU went off a cliff yesterday too. IWM not bad. Probably look for shorts more than anything. AMD went through demand yesterday. Was pretty trendy though. Don't think we're gonna have another demand in the way. HIMS, I need to see HIMS drop below this low or this demand. I need that in my life. I still want to get it around like 26, 25. I'd be very happy with that. I think I'm like, yeah. Maybe even lower. Maybe like 23, 22. I don't know if we'll get there though. Yeah, I think right here was the time to buy. Probably. Just unfortunate, but we'll see what happens. For today though, let me just get rid of this. You could watch it. There's gonna be a lot of stuff to watch today. Uber we could watch as well. Man, we got way too many things. This is horrible. All right. I'm not gonna watch that. Not interested in that. Remind me of my SoFi L yesterday. Not looking great. I want to see this drop more too. Roblox gap up, interesting. B, not interested. Starbucks could be decent, but if supply in the way, keep an eye on it. We got so much stuff. Remove this stuff. I'm probably not going to trade it. It's on Vertiv VRT. Look at it. What are you looking for? We're definitely in demand. It's a hell of a move up. But yeah, we're definitely in demand. See where it goes from here. You have demand like here. Decent swing trade setup, I think. Day trade wise, I don't think there's much though. All right, let's look through these. PLTR. PLTR is going to be tough because we do have supply in the way. That's just rough. Unless we're popping out. I don't know, that's going to be rough either way. Ports had their position for a 130% climb. 130% climb win. I mean, reports can say anything. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. Keep an eye on Apple. Looks good. Amazon's also going to have supply in the way. Not the greatest supply, but I mean, that's smack in the middle. Google's better. Microsoft. It's no great supply here, which I guess is good. Keep an eye on it. Meta's going to take a while to get down, I think. Tesla could be good. Oracle's going to take a big move. IWM looks good. HIMS looks pretty good. Uber longs are just kind of scary right now. I don't love that. Starbucks has supply. So watch out for that. But outside of that, looks pretty good. Yeah, that's a lot of supply. Supply and demand. If you are, if you're in the Vault community, we have some courses in there for free on supply and demand that you can watch so you have a better idea of it. All right. All right, so supply means it will go down because there's not enough demand. Well, in a simplified version, I guess, yes. But like I said, if you're in the Vault, there's some courses on there that you can watch and get a better idea of it. I recommend doing that. The Vault link should be in the description, maybe. I think this is where Zach puts them. If they're not, I can send you a link, but it should be down there. Oh, I have to keep looking at the courses. Yeah. Yep, that's what I would recommend. All right. Apple will look for a break there. Google's going to be a little trickier. Tesla is going to have demand down there, unfortunately. WM won't, which is good. HIMS. Not really. Okay, good. Going along on Uber right now is just such a pain. We'll see. I need PLTR to open somewhere up here, I think. Same thing with Amazon. That'd be nice. That is going to take a while, though. Starbucks actually looks better now that I look at it on lower time frame. All right. So what is everyone else watching today? Anyone got their eye on something? Oh, Jamie, I didn't even notice. Buying at 121.75, you think? So you just want to buy on like a pullback from here? Yeah, doesn't look horrible. AVGO. I thought I had that on here. I don't think I do anymore. I think I took it off. What are you looking for on here? Supply and demand, clearly. I gotcha. Just gonna assume that's what you're looking at. Yeah. It looks pretty good. I like my random zone that I have over here. This looks great, actually. Could be very good. But you're right, you do need a pullback. I'd actually like to see it break these highs and then get a pullback. It would actually be better, I think. I'll be curious where this opens. I'm throwing an alert there. If it breaks those highs, you get a pullback off it. Look pretty good. What's the lowest you spend on a stock? I don't invest in penny stocks. No. Yeah. I probably wouldn't invest in something less than like $10 unless I really believed in it. But most of that stuff is not going to be that high quality stuff. Hence why it's going to be cheap or worth pennies. Okay. Apple might just rip today. I just kind of have it on there in case it doesn't, but it might just continue its rip. Tesla working down. IWM working down. HIMS fell off a cliff. Yeah. Fine by me. Fine by me. Let's keep going, HIMS. Why not? Uber off a cliff. PLTR. PLTR didn't open where I wanted it to, which is unfortunate. Same with Amazon. Meta's a little high. Starbucks fell off a cliff already. Starbucks going to be tough. Actually, I kind of like Apple making that high. That could actually be good. Send a layer on Apple there. Google, I don't really know what I necessarily wanted to break. Google's going to be tough. Microsoft, I don't think popped out. Tesla, I do need to get I think swim up. I want to make sure I'm not going to get caught in yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I don't really want to get caught in supply and demand play that takes Tesla upwards. I even popped out, but demand's in the way. Does IWM have demand? No, demand's not going to be all the way till down there. IWM's fine. I was going to say, I didn't think I missed a demand on there. I might actually like Tesla longs more, to be honest. It's like off this. We got that break. I might like that more. Apple? Yeah, I'm waiting for it to break this low, though. I just moved my alert. I want to see it break that low. Yeah, once again, Apple needs to break the low, for me at least. IWM broke the low. I kind of like IWM. MSTR? For what? Just ripping. IWM might have been a buy on the break, actually. That might suck. What am I looking for? Let's do like the 20th. Bunch of those. Like we got like here. What is that? 45. I don't hate that. We did gap up, so it's a little risky, but let's do this, and we'll do see if we get a low resistance here. All right, let's see what we do with that. Get in like there. I think that should be, size-wise, should be good. I might be a little off, actually. I have to see. The one thing I don't want, what is this? I might be off size-wise. Crap. What did I get? I got these, I think. Yeah. And what did I say it was like 45 cents. How is that? Yeah, my sizing's off a little bit. I think I need one more. We'll see if we can snag one for cheaper. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Apple longs might look good as well. Tesla breaks that low. Not the worst. Tesla's just so tough with where it is because it's just gonna have that gap fill. It's gonna suck. Yeah, dividend might go up. That gap up's the only thing that worries me about this. And that might push it up. Just fine. I'd like to see it could wait for another break. See where it goes from here. Yeah, Tesla's just so tough. I don't know, because Tesla longs actually look pretty decent, but it might just drop all the way through. I don't know. Uber is just off a cliff. Oh my god. Microsoft pop out? I don't think it did. Sucks. Goog ripped. Apple looks like it wants to rip as well. I didn't get the other one. Well, I guess we'll see where it goes. I kind of wanted to get the other one. I don't know where the 50 is though. A little higher. If I can snag one there, I'll do it. Okay. Let me put this on here. And we'll watch where that goes. Starbucks. It already hit supply. That's the problem with Starbucks. Oracle looks like it's just gonna fly down. Amazon's breaking through everything. Jesus. PLTR did not go. I don't know. I still think Tesla looks good. It's gonna be hard to get risk reward there. Let me make sure my OCO is set up correctly here. 237.02, 238.80. Yeah, we're fine. So it'd be like 2 to 1, which would be really good. I don't know if it'll get there, but 2 to 1's good. It's just the problem with this price action is not really another place to take profit, even if I wanted to. But I really need a break at this low to feel good about this. And if we don't get that, I don't feel great. All right. Hopefully we can see a break of this low in IWM. Worst case scenario, we don't. But hopefully we can. This is just what I'm kind of afraid of. I just don't want to see this rip happen. The one thing playing to our side, though, is that this gap up didn't break anything, which is nice. But it doesn't mean it can't fail. It's just it didn't break anything, which is good. See what it does, though. Market's random. And we will be okay with it. Goog just hit something. I don't know what, but it's quite a reaction. Microsoft still needs to pop out. I just don't know if it's going to. I think IWM just ripped, unfortunately. Tesla. Yeah, it's just so tough, man. Risk reward wise, I don't know if it's going to be there. Just with where your stop would have to be now. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Tesla, once again, though, it also has that gap up off demand. So it might actually be a good long play. Because where's your... Right at that 406 level. So you play like... I don't really know what you're targeting here, but... It could be decent. For TSM, if it broke that demand, a retrace would be good. For TSM was way too trendy yesterday. So I would not watch that. Where's my... What's IWM doing? Kind of working back. Tesla. Dog is going crazy. God, Tesla's expensive these days, man. It's like a $6 move. What does that put us at? What if we did... $6 to $4.12. If we did like that. So we'll see. I don't even know if it'll get back to that level. Come on, IWM. Let's go lower, man. No need to go back up. And Apple and Google just continued to rip. Is there anything on either of these that would be... What's the problem? Not really. Obviously not on Goog, because Goog's not going to have any pullback. At least not recently. Microsoft still needs to pop out. Very curious where Tesla goes. Might drop. No need to come back up, IWM. You can keep falling. It's okay. AVGO just crossed something. Oracle, you're not going to get risk reward on. Starbucks would be almost impossible as well. Meta's not going to come back down. Amazon kept going. PLTR is off a cliff. IWM just ripped. Of course it did. Apple's going to keep going. Google's going to keep going. Microsoft could be good. I want to keep an eye on Tesla. HIMS is just going to fall. Might be the end of IWM. We'll see. Worst case, we get stopped out. Man, I really want Microsoft to pop out. Doesn't look like it's going to, though. On the plus side, though, my sizing on IWM was good. So that's fine. See if we can get another rejection up here, or if it's going to continue. We do also have supply here, which is nice. Question is it going to hold? It's only 5 minutes. Tesla's falling. Good thing I didn't take that. Looks like IWM is going to be shocked. It's kind of the game you play when it gaps up, though, so you understand the risk. You're fine. It's kind of like I was saying, maybe we wanted to see one more breakdown here and then look to get in on a pullback, but maybe a little too quick on the trigger. Maybe you'd rather see, just because of the gap up, maybe you'd rather see that happen and then get in somewhere there. But you can't win them all. Tesla would have looked good on a short had it pulled back, but it just never really did. I get a nice little rejection there. See where that goes. MU approaching supply. MU approaching supply, is it? Yeah. It's going to be a huge supply zone, but for sure. I guess maybe not if you're looking at that. See what that does. Oh, there's the fill on IWM. Stopped out. Unfortunate. Let me, just because it's what you should really always do, let me journal that as a L. Unfortunate. I think this was like 1.96. Well, that sucks, but what are you gonna do? It's always tomorrow. I think Tesla was teal in play today. It could have been. I think the problem with Tesla is just risk reward here. I just don't know where you're really getting it. Like, even if you're, say you're buying on this pullback, like, I guess you have that. But I don't know. I would like to see a pullback of a little more here, personally. I mean, scared money don't make money. Yeah. That's trading still. Yeah. I still like the IWM play. I really do. I would honestly still like it if it comes up here, makes a new high and breaks this low, and then gets a pullback, all that. Like, I still think I still think it could be a play that's possible today if it did that. I mean, like I said, I maybe could have waited for a second break there, but I mean, I've never really done that, and it's worked out fine, so I'm not really super worried. I do have good acceptance. No matter, yeah, exactly. That's the other thing too, right? We came up and rejected the top line twice. It's like you feel pretty good about it, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But yeah, I guess Tesla maybe was a play today. Again, I still don't like it just because I don't think your risk reward would have been great. You don't really have. I mean, you have a decent pullback, but nothing incredible. So maybe that was the play. Maybe not. I'm still gonna send an alert on IWM here just to see what it does. So like I said, if we get this high formed and then we break that low and pull back, I still think we can go lower. But will I do that? I don't know. What was that AVGO alert? Why did I set that? Oh, for the high break. I forgot. John, if you're still in here, what do you think, man? I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I do want to look at... Not horrible either. AMD could be a good long play if we get a pullback. AMD could be a good long play. Is it in supply or in demand? I guess it would be. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad by any means. Not in love with it, but wouldn't be bad. For TLM, it was pretty trendy though, wasn't it? I mean, not horrible, I guess. Not bad. Yeah, risk reward is gonna be tough though. You probably have to enter like all the way down here. CMD break, pretty strong low, 121.83 on stuff up fill up position. 121.83. Yeah, it wasn't the craziest trend day, but on a risk reward here. If this didn't go as low, I'd probably be interested, but a little too low. Man, I really wish Microsoft popped out. Watch IWM's gonna come down now. Roblox broke low off supply and just hit 50% retrace. Broke low off supply and hit 50% retrace. It did. That's a good shout. It's a very good eye. I mean, very similar thing, right? Is like we gap up, so you're running that risk. But not bad. Could be a good play. I like it. It's a good shout. Just up here. Curious where it goes. We take 50% retrace on Tesla break to go short earlier. You talking like here? Probably not. Maybe now X buy AMD at $7. Told him to hold it till the cows come home, and he sold it without my knowledge at a loss. That's crazy. $7. Wow. Yeah, you should listen to you. IWM, I know. Yeah, there's your break. I'm telling I'll re-enter it, dude. Like, I don't care. I will re-enter this if it pulls back. That's fine by me. I mean, I'd like to see more of a break than that, but like, I'll still do it. You get in like here, I'll do the same exact trade. I will. I don't care. If it does that, I'll do it. My phone's like dead also. Yes, I know. I do like this Roblox play though. But again, we gapped up, which makes you a little nervous about it. It's the only reason I don't like it. Oh, I'd be very surprised if it pulls back. I've seen this story too many times. Or it goes up, barely stops you out, and then rotates all the way. I've seen it way too many times. Yep. There it goes. We'll see though. I'm not gonna chase it. I would want it to pull back pretty high. And I don't think it will do that. I think a lot of people might got stopped out on IWM. I think a lot of people happened to take that trade. Oh, you held it higher. Yeah, it still went above that supply that I had here on the 5-minute. So I guess you're holding above this supply, but I don't know. I don't really get in the habit of that. But if you're still in it, fair enough. Would be a very good win for you. I'd take it around that. Probably. I have about the same stop loss on it too. Should be fine. I don't even remember what I bought. 239. If we got like I'll throw that in there. If we get that pullback, I'll do it, but I just don't know if we will. Do you want a hell of a pullback? Who said this Roblox trade? Oh, Arius. Did you take this Roblox trade? I don't know if you're still in here. Slightly above the high. Almost my stop loss. I don't think I got filled on that. I think I have it just like right here. But I think it just hit 50. Right there. See where it goes. Microsoft? What are you playing on Microsoft? What did you play? Supply and demand? It's definitely this. I mean, fair enough. What are you watching for? You're saying your break above this? Off pullback? I mean, fair enough. Solid play. Yeah, I want to see it pop out. I really liked it for TLM, but just never got to pop out. Did I really not get filled? Oh, I closed my Thinkorswim on my computer. Let me see. I did. All right. Well, we'll see where it goes. So I must have got in around this wake up here. I mean, we'll see what it does. I'll probably set my stop just at break even just to be safe with it. I prefer not to lose more in IWM. So we'll see what it does. Alec, good play on Microsoft, man. Roblox looks like it's reversing up. Another gap up consequence. Unfortunate. All right, maybe second time's a charm on IWM today. We'll see what it does. Like Microsoft breaking that high and going pull back after that. All right, if we get to break this low, I'll feel pretty good about this. And then we'll see where it goes from there. All right, well, I think the low volume starting to hit us again, unfortunately. We'll see how long that takes. But yeah, I'm let IWM play out. And then, yeah, we'll see where it goes from here. But yeah, hopefully you guys got some good trades today. Unfortunately, I get stopped out of IWM, but hopefully there were some good trades out there for you guys. And yeah, we'll see what the market gives us tomorrow. But yeah, appreciate you guys coming out. And I will see all of you soon. So enjoy your day, guys.